Let's get started with calendar this morning. The month is October. I am noticing that if yesterday was the 6th, then today is the 7th. Whoop, whoop. It is almost DeAndre's birthday. How exciting. Let's fill in our date. I know that October is the 10th month. It is October 7th, 2020. Writing the date in word form, October 7th, 2020. I know it is the middle of the week, so today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, let's add one more unit. And I know that we still have one group of 10 and 8 ones, which makes 18. Making 18 cents, I'm going to do 10 and 5, that's 15, 16, 17, 18. Words you should know, here we go. Try, come, my, would, to, also. We are counting by twos today. We're starting with 2 and we're going to 70. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70.